Welcome back to Snack Time Knowledge, where we serve bite-sized learning with a fun twist. Today, we are brewing up a cup of coffee in the kitchen while diving into a hot topic: what is programming and coding? Don't worry, this will be as simple and fun as your favorite snack break. So, what is programming? It's basically like giving step-by-step instructions to a computer to tell it what to do. Imagine you're making a coffee. First, you grab the mug. Then, you add coffee powder, sugar, and hot water. If you skip a step or mix them up, the coffee is ruined, right? That's exactly how programming works. You have to be clear, logical, and follow the steps in the right order. And coding? It's the actual language we use to write these instructions. It's like the recipe for coffee but in a language the computer understands. Here's the cool part: everything around us, your phone, the apps you use, the way you order pizza online, it's all run by code. Right now, we are in a world where programming touches everything. Even this coffee machine probably has some code inside it to control the water temperature. But wait. You might think, if AI can code for us now, do I even need to learn this stuff? The answer is yes. While AI can write basic programs, it still needs humans to think creatively, solve problems, and tell it what to do. AI is like an assistant, it helps you but doesn't replace your ideas. Let's break it down into a few easy parts. Start simple. Begin with languages like Python or JavaScript. Think of Python as your instant coffee, quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. Understand logic. Programming is less about the language and more about learning how to think logically. For example, if you can write down the steps to make coffee, you're already halfway there. Explore AI. AI is booming. Tools like ChatGPT are here to help. But to use them well, you still need to understand the basics. It's like driving a car. You don't need to build the engine, but you need to know how to steer. Work on real projects. Build something small, like a calculator or a simple app. For instance, you could code a coffee timer that buzzes when your coffee is perfectly brewed. So, programming and coding are all about solving problems and giving clear instructions to machines. AI will help us, but your creativity, logic, and unique ideas will always be the heart of innovation. And remember, just like making coffee, it's all about starting simple, experimenting, and enjoying the process. So, grab your coffee and get coding, because the future is waiting for your ideas. That's all for today on Snack Time Knowledge. Like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized learning. See you next time. Cheers!